Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy Elliott. Check this out. You guys know this. I'm big on YouTube. I love YouTube. A lot of you guys text me. We work things out. But I've never really paid attention to Facebook. I am going to give you guys my Facebook page real quick right here. What I'm going to be doing, I have a full planned live training, closing and negotiation event that I have coming up very soon. What I want you to know is this. If you'll go right now to facebook.com/The Elliott Group now. It's real simple. I'll put that link below too in the description. I want you to go there and like my page. I've never really been a big Facebook guy. I don't use it a lot, but it seems real easy for me to do live training on. Plus, if any of you guys have a struggle, an issue, maybe something that you're kind of having a grind with, guess what? Go like my page, hit me up, send me a message on Messenger. I'll be happy to get back with you, so whenever you're struggling with something, I'll help you through. So this isn't a big training video. There's nothing crazy going on here, but you don't want to miss the free live training that I have coming up. Does it cost you anything? No. Will it help you make more money with closing and negotiating? Yes. All I need you to do is go to facebook.com/The Elliott Group now, and all you have to do is like my page. And then what I'm going to do is that when I put this live training out, you'll make sure that you get it. You can be squared in. Any questions you have while I'm doing the live training, you can send it to me, and I'll make sure I cover it while we're doing the live training. And also, as a side note, remember, if you're struggling with something, hit me up on Facebook, and we'll talk about it, okay? So guys, have a blessed day. Go crush it. This is a good way for us to stay in contact and make sure that 2020 is the best year of your life. Have a great day.